The rains have finally ceased in my Kumba on this 28th of September 2012. That is a couple of days after that final judgment meted down on Marafat, Foto and Co. regarding the Albatross issue. And I am still here in my own piece of the land trying to feel good. And I think it's my legitimate right. Yes, Patrick Siane, of course, is my name. And I have had many questions as to the aftermath of that protracted political legal court case between Marafat, Foto and Company and the state of Cameroon for embezzlement and a raw presidential plane deal that never cooked itself to completion. That is, the president, the despotic Paul Biya, never had his presidential plane. And so my answer as to consequences or the aftermath is that Cameroon keeps to its tradition of wait and see. Le Cameroun reste le Cameroun. Donc c'est pour répondre aux multiples interrogations sur Facebook demandant Patrick Siane les conséquences, les réactions après l'affaire Marafat. Et donc, quelques jours après avoir observé, rien de mouvement social. Comme avaient peur certains, que je conclus en disant, les Camerounais sont restés fidèles à la tradition, c'est-à-dire la bière, les femmes, la bonne danse, l'amusement, au-delà des faits palpables et réels et concrets et importants du Cameroun, tels que comment deviendrait l'avenir après bien. Et ça inquiète alors les gens comme nous. Quand est-ce que les Camerounais devraient pouvoir s'occuper de leur lendemain, au-delà de la bière, de la femme, des petites choses, les plaisirs très simples, mondains? That's the question. When will Cameroonians rise above questions of the tongue, taste, saliva, eating, drinking copiously, and forgetting about fundamental national issues? When other countries like Ghana in Africa, because some people think Africans can do nothing, Ghana is showing an example that we can also breathe an air of democracy, an air of optimism, and not allow one non-entity, one nincompoop, sit there for 30 years and try to dictate the pace and phase of the nation. Patrick Siane from his hometown, Kumba, in the southwest of Cameroon, trying to get into a deep reflection on Cameroon after the Marafat Foto political legal imbroglio. We are still in that mess. Not going forward, not going backward, just bubbling in the spot for a future undefined. Donc, mesdames, messieurs, le Cameroun peut choisir de rester le Cameroun, mais le monde bouge. Et tout dépend de tout un chacun, vous comme moi. Patrick Siane, seul, ou avec certains qui reflètent aussi sa pensée, seulement ne peuvent pas faire partie pour le bien. Toi aussi, tu es appelé, même si, jadis, tu étais de RDPC, ou tu es encore ministre, ou bien un simple soldat de RDPC. Le moment est venu de quitter ces bandes sans vision. C'est la rue, on prend la rue pour le destin d'un pays que nous aimons tous. Vive le Cameroun! Paix, travail, patrie. Peace, work, fatherland. Cameroun Asology.